It's emergency calls because a region no, share the whole central region. It's your 20 regions, your 20 districts share. And calls neba. It could be say a nipa na frɛ is a kwasim for so. And we will dispatch our appliance no kwasim for so. And say what that district no so will dispatch say what has so ya so and you control all the appliance ne was central region no. You control all my time I just call they see what incident scene. They basically they give us information, they give us update on what happens at the fire scene. Ejuma basically no.
So more receive calls na when any mo next person mo communicate calls na mom.
Inti pache you receive call na sa ye frɛ caller no. Inti caller no ye frɛ wa obeche en baby a incident na si. Inti e bia incident na si pedua ye nim say RHQ never call because station bia or jurisdiction obetumi akodu sa limit no. Inti ono sa na ne ya frɛ pedua ye de pedu de bebo bell no. Into omo besan from near omo 10 hours sleeper omo be coincident scene no. Into omo kwa caller no be frɛ caller na in your exact location. Sometimes no caller ne fra because e bia reshimu na say no. Sometimes don't to me my exact location obetumi ama say pedu but pedu so. Enti ye per landmark e be chere say e bia pedu e be in school no. Ebe in church, ebe Catholic church, and ebe way, and ebe boa crewmen no mbeba no. Ebe boa so that when they are coming, they just come straight to the incident scene. Enye afi no mko dane down be wine ansa no mwedu. Baby eche so budu no.
Na me fra necessary say mebo midin.
Yes, for record keeping in here.
Okay, nti mebo midin na location. Moji GPS so kan wana.
Location na ye. So the most important thing here landmark never boa.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Madam Harriet, yamfa ne say me frɛ no, ayam hihye nti, mama details ni na. Ne mu ma frɛ mo me number at least ne mo me number. Apart from say mema mo details no, mo any other way am betimi retrieve me location no.
Mbacha da bi. Ye be san so afrɛ.
Be san so afrɛ me. Okay.
Say o my bi a wo frɛ no, one my ayam hihye nti one my location. Ye be frɛ.
Okay.
Na ye bisa o say ye paucho waka che say ja to no mo de but ye nya location nti ye men no omu ntumi ma nti ye serwa ma ye location na e betimi ama ye nsoso ya ma ye men no aba beboa nti ye be fro.
Okay. Ye mfa ne say me we fom na e jane toy nti na me hye ade we fom ho na say no efo ni na ye hye eno no me frɛ ma mo beba
mba chai ye dwuma ne say ye beba bedum ja.
Okay.
Nti or life near at stake. If baby our fra danger no one, we have to come there. It doesn't matter. Provided say there is sometimes who no access to the scene and there are no issue. But you have to car say but because our job is to save your life.
Okay.
Into what friend say you are in danger we have to come.
Madam Harriet, how often we receive prank calls?
Very often.
Very, very often.
Yes. Very often. In a week, we can receive like 2 prank calls.
Wow.
Yes. In a week. That is in a week. And sometimes more. Yes.
I don't know. I am with me identify any way of a number no. And what do? Do you more blocking the panel and more reports then?
When we receive the prank calls, we give it to the PRO and then they take it they take it over.
Like the number no?
Yes.
Okay.
Number and the BEMPOMAA PRO and the PRO will take over the whatever they will have to do to the person. But ours is to receive the call, dispatch the appliance, and then we'll realize, say, a prank call.
Okay.
We wouldn't know unless say you drew once. Until you drew on our film catcher, so there's no fire at the scene. Of course, then fire for drew hand and say that is when Omoba. Then we'll give the number to PRO, and then they will take over whatever they have to do. They will do it.
Sir, prank calls we need dispatching appliance and nothing comes out of it, no. How is it affecting your work?
It's affecting us a lot because time now we are friend na ya dispatching a men. Ebia eja to baby fufu. We have to attend to that person. But yeah, dream when you name say a for prank call. Into a dispatch a man to way. Into so mu drew honum no catcher say a prank caller. And yes, and so a dispatch to the next fire no. A chance so and train will be a into a she. Into time now, ye de call sa prank call and care the bar. Sa other incidents now, can save you time, ya save you lives, ya save you a lot of things. Into it affects us. In a whole lot of ways, it affects us.
It's a wastage of time, resources, and fuel. So
yes,
and yeah, dear. All right. Madam Pearl, Mami sounds so in let's say 1 minute. Prank calls to and pay to
okay, medase. Sometimes no, o feel say uni share. Inti when ya ha, inti na wafa phone na ofre. And as our credit be our name the other bay. But I say, the oye no, a be block you be chance. And I say, obi life is at stake and that moment ni ye to me abuano. Inti ye shermo, pacho. Me shermo bium. Se prank calls ne so nim say. Enye fire na washa da wa friend na pacho jai. Ebi musu the omu phone, omu ja omu phone ma mumba. Until about 5 years, okita phone, ubo wa fair fire service. Ye be fair, obeti akolano voice. Ebi won ha genuinely, I'm fair for fire because I've witnessed some. Say akola fair ejashi. And no, but ebi also be fair no, or the phone need dia go na wako fair fire service. Enti mama ne ba, o se madam pacho me sorry you, na me ba ne di phone need dia go. Yes, sure mo. Phone no. Say on to me out the face here obano and I say block a contact now on to me fair fire service because you waste somebody's life. Ebi wa kwa wada and a fire to me na see because of we just say a call honum by the time beba nipa no we and sisi an why na enti me show one phones no say akola yi finish him pacho. So we need share patch men fair fire service because we are emergency lines and respond to emergencies and yes more medasi.
Now for the sake of ABI, your new viewer be and then also because fire service numbers they be able. But for the sake of ABI, one new viewer be and or journey, you know, my more lines na bit me afraid. Okay,
pacho your short code ne 192. But short code no fry a quack. Ekwa Accra short code ne bekwa Accra ansa na Accra ama information no it is central region yeah emergency line that's the headquarters yeah emergency line here 0205 388 644 pacho me bosu biom 0205 388 644 and here for pedu. But other districts no so almost emergency line. Into uko asimfo so a emergency line. Oko metro emergency line. Oko Kaswa emergency line. Budumburam. It is say me suggest say baby a wotibia bomodia nenya fire service line na wo honom. It cuts down the time omudibedu ho because a normal ben into fry no more do. For instance, who watch for parcel now only for parcel number no friend ye better from but oh number from directly no more do ho but what I say until more fire stations near any pedu no and I say we know there's fire stations nearer to them they can go there and pick the number so that they can save it on their phone. Emergencies can happen at any time. Who to choir you can obey to be a shabby. It and one say one number na no afraid. Last time you share video be say be born number say 991 their fire service but it's not the right number. ABR fumunta or casa. But if you have it on your phone, at least when him say I have this number on my phone, no frepe ebeba.
Say, I say 24-hour economy or Ghana has a control room. We 24-hour economy and there's a specific time. Yeah, we juma.
But you juma 24 hours.
24/7.
But try.
And I do the swim crime. Me from
time be out be free and be we be pick it.
Yeah, that must be fine. You know, ADO1 Pearl, MacSIMPINEY. ene ADO1 Harriet BEMPOMAA na ye ne omo ebo nkomo no omo di omo dwuma ewo Pedu fire service I say control room specifically eho na omo office ewo nti omo mienu na ne ye ne omo edi nkomo nti me sure say na wonni mo omo number ene wan hu omo number at least one fa hwe kra na for omo number no na save na emboa 24/7 so economy no mo ye wa ha say nti anytime bi a obefre bia so no enka say oh na ade asa na me feel so ma point no ma frɛ there bi time bi a obefre bia no ombefa na omo attend it to you ne yesre so sane madam edi no kra ye de me refi madam Pearl kan ye no mo amoye prankos wo de wonni ne wo di data na airtime ne be ya me de me number be so na wa send am me wade me ma be brown de be ye me ye prankos bia o ha say mfo obi nkwa ento asem ye da masepa say mwatie na ye be moving on to other departments na ye wo safety department aye no omo eba be di nkomo na me ba yen so mo say ye obi be friend say fire police na me dey say fire police so e dey no mo ye but mate say department bi o han so a e dey sa nti no mo so beba na ne omo ye wo mo department no omo ne ye aba be kan nti penifo me da mo say bibi o ha yanka mo pese mo kan ana ya exhaust bibia yo okay jo ene na ye da masepa ye beja mo kwan mo makọ na ye nso akọ no nso aka na ye fe ye ba ye ne fire police for no so aba be hwetwe nkomo
Drums are talking. Balogo, balogo, balogo. Mama yenye, niye betu mi biara. Emfa moa yema. Ghana, ansana yako, ansana yako. Nanano, empenyia ye biko. Edrume newo. Yeso, seyebe yebi. Niyatu waso. Moma yenye, niye betu mi biara. Emfa moa yema. Ghana, ansana yako, ansana yako. Nanano, empenyia ye biko. Edrume newo. Yeso, seyebe yebi. Niyatu waso. Mrs. Somambe ya. Nefe mene o Somambe ya. Nefe yenara. Yenara yebra. Yebra yeriboy. Enone seyoma. Neyoma ye. Aba. Ghana for yenko bieme. Somambe ya. Nefe mene o Somambe ya. Nefe yenara. Yenara yebra. Yebra yeriboy. Enone seyoma. Neyoma ye. Somambe ya. Nefe mene o Somambe ya. Nefe yenara. Yenara yembra. Yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma. Neyoma ye. Wampa yengo biene. Somambe ya. Nefe mene o Somambe ya. Nefe yenara. Yenara yembra. Yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma. Neyoma ye. Ghana for yenye na yentwe. Somambe ya. Nefe mene o Somambe ya. Nefe yenara. Yenara yembra. Yembra yeriboy. Enone seyoma. Neyoma ye. Siriba. Anyhow money be ya. I just so here. Anyhow we you money baby. I just so here. Tewe. Munso mayenye ejuma. Yamfamo adesheme. Eni enara. Yemrenyo. Eni yaoni baby. Seonia. Eni yaoni baby. Seonia. Eni yaoni baby. Seonia. Eni yaoni baby. Seonia. Mese munso mayanya ejuma. Yamfama desheme. Eni enara. Yemrenyo. Eni yaoni baby. Seonia. Eni yaoni
Ekrobi wose ekwoha awodezi nkan shase o se inde yindo inde ye bobwejem in there. And all this is the man which does offer you me. Name so when you will be no this yara, Bama so bashaw. If you buy a basel was on the Cotacoba, who go on fair, and I'm kind of quite a goal or Cotacoba and a goal and a goal, a bassa goal, eh? And say, and you manage with this yara, no, I you be. And saying there, I mean, I do you will do me just so ye, Finfirmantum, Nitsra, Awagua, Pedro, Hannah, and they were. And say, in the so, yada. Costa TV community connected to me shasi abosom ESSIEN na numbre ya de dumi jejuma ha ya be ye me biara amaka ho ne mpefisi on frank intention jeans nti ya ma aye be mafa afram nti na nde nye dumi jafo nkutin twetwe nkomo ya aba mazen ama nazimba when was all tomorrow kodo and nti in nde be budu purpose. It's a better a shafo, a tifo, a better on us. Then the while you're too far on the pay, me feeder about to here now. Costa TV, eba, it's a Friday, basa. Finna Friday. Na, I Susan is a Friday, and Susan, and about to classmate the foot piwa. Each other, yeah, with it. Now, Bomazana, Kone Facebook, Quavia, as Mobisi. Mammy, then, no better. Wasn't them able to show a hat. Yada other bad cry. And tell me not the master Babatana no Babazine Fia can oh yeah safety one some na aboa me to my claim. ADO1 Bernard Kojoham Anona in about Chunkomo Abua ma a can oh yeah safety. Wo oh yeah dumija so ya ba the pan to me. I pray Mamma acquire by the Mahinwa.
Yahinwa.
I promise you.
I'm not dumb. Upon me, papa, no one say.
You want you to do.
Right.
It has to be that was it to my do. Na Ebon about do then de. Wabo Mazen, then when you reach my pa, he so he went to papa. Abraham, say you can de. Or do me judgment, you can safety. Would you make the pa would do me just so you're on it.
Yo, and the page, Yabada, Costa Television, I say.
Right.
Wame na kunya ma yenye timemufo etwetwe nkomo ye chechre nyama oyo fire service ye yes ye don na say papa wodwuma so na worye was me gweman na Ghana men nyina yenyo so na ye safety department or ye department ye were in 3 units. The first unit is the educational unit. I know you call schools, radio stations, television stations, churches, mosques, banks, and other institutions, guest house, nazi, fire safety education, the amountful, matimimufuno, what yeza, osafata, oranfa at renchen biara, oranfam brain. And the yanchacha or your safety department, ye taste what they them department no wash wobo a ijashison ban the will war yan benimu. Ibio safety department ye war inspectorate unit. Inspectorate unit no ano ye call schools, churches, ye call banks. Radio stations, television stations, and all other institutions, offices, nazi, your fire safety inspection or premises ye identify risk na other factors are obutum ozi ijashisho ozaba. Na mostly no ye inspection na we have nyamebia ye take cognizance of the menyaman. Especially means of escape. You can means of escape. Baby, in case of any eventuality, you can eventuality at ranchim sa able to egwan afa won cottage mebiara. Ano yasha the mazan na yasan so yasha de it will fire extinguishers na other protective equipment wo hwa. Yasha fire alarm bells, smoke alarm detectors, obi detect early detections, wo fie another wooden mu ansana fire service for yaba. Nti yɛhwɛ dɛm nyɛma nyinaa yɛhwɛ dɛ sprinklers na adze wɔ hɔ a in case of bibinya nankasa automatically sprinkler nankasa obobo nsun ode godo ni nyinaa dɛm nyɛma na safety department yɛhwɛ yɛyɛ wɔ inspectorate unit ɛna yɛwɔ certification unit certification no ano sɛ ibesi wo dana is what drawings it's about fire safety department you review drawing that is the architecture drawings you review drawings and you share alternative exit na za our drawings in whether it is accurate before you are certified and sana you tum ya more permit there call in the case danan na yesano so is real yemo bibi a from the fire certificate ano yemo something called conceptual report will indicate in Yama Osada Oba office another building na put up in Yama Osada Oba Minina and Sana etum as started the operate. Inti say is certified with all these requirements now. And fire service or the chief officer one more certificate to operate. Meaning you are certified with all the safety aspects into Wabama Okon or your fire certificate ma is a operate.
Damen same na yeko oye education to make a wasam. Education no ebon sora horo ebu edwuma da horo schools ebo hunizin ejisi de fitsi bira odum je dwuma sha say 1963 nchache na ye yano no nazamba worete another attendant.
Yo, you better say. In fact, education na yen. In fact, time mufono sisiano yeruhu de inyeme bi wo hɔ a na no yeruhu de inyeme bi wo hɔ a na first no ya on ya odi ijahyeso baban. Through the education na yen nti wa mankofo wa ya aware of it. Masisiano why then worry nyama osafata and through the social media na ziso you go to social media ebon there when you google anything about fire ebon nyama bebre into people are learning and nanse no so no yeko first na yeko radio station na za unkofo inshada ntain wo feed the ijan o we chirichi on benhen but now no when we there ijan is obeni nyina into sisia no ze timemufon will say in some fire service yazer brown in some pa yazer brown because ye hu bebre baby a atorenchen bebre atoto into one man nyina so ya where there woman nyina yom som ye pempem som na yembo ye ho ban ameja hihyu biara oronkotoyen wo manim into sisi as gradual process unkofo will accept yan messaging ma will retain asupum inti wama ijashisu na person okodu bebre sisi anu nano wa brase kakra ija nazamba ohihye hon osen jepaza ahoro no eje hamsi onam ncheche pa wotumo yanti pinya na etum na akofom na abian kwanso otu nka na wanka wa telema na ocha so no kwana afede dumdidi aninti na wa banede ubonkompo hwe na kira won de anamra wotum rutu no aboa ma odensese pinyan so otum no otoreba ye kohene yimi ibu na school fo etia hyen wose wo konkran mantom wo kwande mantom ye hwe hena ha ahokeka yerebusuade ekwana ofoda wotum dumja ejizi de oye education wo ye mafam wo taaba ane de bia wo de kwa aba no yo mostly schools what our bapa what baha your church on department na then your familiarization of your equipment na the in the work safety department this summer you want to kasa for because my pharmacy ijano was a catch them young so oyabo fraba na catch the younger ano offer no or grow with azar where the yes action into my from what safety department what ba fire service ankasa your church one jumeza fire service yes nyina into sisi abofra ba owofie mpo onyimde the mazi yakwa fire service was say the mazi mama yen biu ya ozi jashe the baba into all these things no you catch one young into my from so why then wenya ntase wonyeme bi hu masisi no ijashe ewu de moframa no bebre na wonyim nyama okos ijan bebre na was matches na nyama wodiza agro matches na abofra bazi onyim de matches se also no sinisa na otuchin bebiara ana onhwe sa carpet na what to do sa abazi na what to do abofra bazi nenyo enyo but woba ya church on the madini nya antisisa no when hu de the menyama nkitinkiti so waya odija baba nti moframa so we sua na wama sisa no wonyina so waja atum nti wori ye bibiara so a wankasa so we very careful about it.
Wotu na mo bia wo hwe ne yi na wotu ama onfa ahaw etum na onfa amba nti yanko no yim kekere bi wi a yanko another sector na yin nko twetwe nkomo da yin hwe nda yetum yekona yim nsora horo a eja ha mabozini asore bi wo ha huni nchia wo se Christ asomdwe na cha wobopo na yin ebenum so assalamu alaikum na cha malam no mamu mudo madoma asor hallelujah di obi ajibi ejisi de nazimba wo asore no mu asora wotumoji hinutum abaya ni impa 100 na what's there odumja fa aba abaya no aka impa 10 wuta na mara da mazi no so ayi wo hu ne wo hu a aba asam na woka anana aba na wo ya fa
yo emu de impen bebre yakwa churches na dumpo da no ya fa na nyankofo because yakwa ho each and every time nti maye yenye de ye hunu de people are not interested in the fire education na yaman
right
nti osede ye change the strategy no sometimes osede inwa na change the strategy and how to go about it into mostly your time ebia why your women's fellowship men's fellowship and then the why your gathering be what church ano your bulk of the people to me for yenya one papa because programming into through the programming na yenye asofo no yenye won hye ma what fixing will program into at the earlier stage of the program non call faban na you can give education. In fact, say as the education also come on now. When you are the papa bebre na will be some questions bebre will be saying there when you put the dimension nyina or ho another dimension nyina waya or the jababa but ndazi we tum we into sisa no they are accept messaging churches na in fact mobo pastors na so a one bad because there's a letters na bia call there be education one people when to cry na wa gather one nkofo wonye wona mehen me yenye wona kasa yes dem nkitanwuzi a yafe wo me yensom damara na ihe nyina no yemboa na ijahyeso na osisi wa Ghana ni nyina no duntwa
Abraham, yan shazi bi de yere kan bambo ho nsam oye dumja. Me yetime mi abakwa na mutuma afada bebi amete mo bambo nsese ya obutum na wa aboa. Asana mbiripi ene ye hunde yeko oye filling station ahorowa. Ebo na taxi driver aho na woma taxi aja awoso uduguma na wo woso no kinkre wa ka chehye ne fire ne fina. Ano ye safety adwuma wotumu ye damara so na bia yitumi di hini dwuma ekwana ye ka feel oil hini gas na efe ba oza trentwi ma me odende wa ka ne kira ye bagi so na apagya atum ano ye safety adwuma yitumi ye ko oye hini edenim nda me fifie me domi TV praw na hin TV no so ankote ndi bibia no tumi si safety adwuma na yitumi ye ye fa no kokura dan na bebe mafa
yo ye ba start with hene fifi
right
bebre na say ye fifi a ye check there hena bon ya tum ebien anede basa sometimes simple when the ye kakra we are not convinced there ya to abu no mu ye because ye feed the ewi bi botum wide ne wa be so no we bu wiaze wo ho but na ye we feed there ewi kase nankasa oye ije nankasa ya de na ijado because ye rekwan ye feed there ije biara nsi nti yenye yesom na hen TV no remote